Are you trekking here already, Manya? Hey guys, girls, boys. So it's like we took over this mountain. Having fun? That's where Manya is there. So people are literally crawling on this. Bahubali is going. Come on. You have to make way yourself. You're in the wild. That's it. That's it. Go. 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 Anya, stay there, Nana. I'll come. Stay with me. Because I'm going to show a lot more interesting stuff. Or literally one of the toughest area that so far we've been trekking. And kids are, see here. Anywhere if they slip by a little bit. Anvita. Okay, go, go, go. If you slip this side, you can enjoy the slide. Hey, swing. Manyama, look back. You want to swing here? Come. Tree? Oh, wait. Wow. What is this? What is this color? Some kind of white color? Yeah. White, man. This looks totally different. No breakfast. Mr. Ben, what is the breakfast plan?
Generally, King's breakfast.
Oh, kings don't do breakfast. I mean, okay, you may get, as an audience, you may get a doubt, who is this king? Comment below, whom do you think is a king? And look at this, the victorious. Whoop, whoop. Stay tuned. We're still gonna go up and show you the best view so far. Come on, baby, walk, 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 walk. Where is that? Okay, let's explore that, baby. I'm coming with you. Come on. What is this? Hoop, 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 hoop. Manya the explorer, Shiti the explorer. You're exploring something here.
Look. This is the house.
Yeah, you're right.
There's only one room.
See this view, man. We came literally more than 2 hours trekking. Hey, hello, how are you? You are not spotted in the video so far. Can you tell me your name to the audience?
Abhiram.
Abhiram. Cherry. Cherry. And you? Revant, come on. But please be safe, huh? Okay, tell me what is the best part so far?
Climbing.
Climbing? You had fun?
Climbing on the rocks.
Climbing on the rocks.
Only rocks.
Going up or coming down?
Going up.
Going up, you're enjoying more. Oh, look at this little one.
We don't.
Hello, cutie.
Coming down.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hello. Can you say hello to me, please? To the video at least. Hello. Everyone is coming slowly and studying. Come on, come on. Anvita. This is where we actually started the climb from. So this is the pond. You can see a car there. Slowly we came from there through this, and then I showed you here as well. And then we came till here. We stayed for a little while, and then we took the real steep right here. and we came like that and came here. So this is the surrounding. This is the real top view which we really walked for. You can see every single corner has a beautiful view. We're just gonna go back there, but in a different route altogether. Now we started our descent, but you see all these people are waiting. You know what is the reason? You really want to know? You really want to know? Hey, hello. She is getting bored. All the reason is here, right here. The traffic jam. Oh my God. Okay, Ben, this is the place. I think this is the place. This is the place where we got stuck last time. But we came from this side. So this time there is no option. We are already on top, so we need to find out a way to go down. We ended up finding a steep, very steep area here. So that's why literally one after another only can walk. That's why all these girls are waiting here. Hello. Hello. So now we need to follow this queue to go one after another at this steep. Right there. I'm gonna show you when we are going down. I'll show you that. And Ben is almost ready for it. And we were feeling like it is our home now.
We already did that.
Yeah, last time we came all the way till there, where you can see that crowd. No, we both came here, but all other people have come only there, right? The group. And we are actually literally climbing on this rock. You can see this baby walking, and Ben is holding, and they're gonna slide through slowly, like that, like this. The view that we have right now. Hey Mahesh, hello. And we are all waiting in the queue to slide. He's doing one of the most easiest, toughest stretch. Ben, you have a little one behind you. Vinay, Vanya is coming, and you need to be there to help her, and only when I come also help me. Man, this looks crazy here. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, it's like this, right? So you see there, this is where Manya is walking right now. Whoa. See, all these people have gone down now. Just to show you, this is the slope they came from. Now the toughest part is done. Now it is completely familiar route because we came in the same route last time. Come on, do it right now. Flying yoga. Here we come to the end of the trek, and man, this is really crazy stuff. And literally after 4.5 hours I'm seeing the proper light, and then I can see my beast somewhere there. So this is gonna be an amazing trip, one of the best ever I had. If you guys have enjoyed, comment below which part of it was really awesome for you, and probably we'll try and go for more and more new ones similar to that. But till then guys, I say thank you so much for tuning in. If you like it, make sure to like and subscribe.
Anirudh.
Ben.
Mahesh.
Sujana. Soumya. Teja. Anjana.
Ravan.
Vinay. Adya. Revani. Revan. Jerry. Kushita. Abhiram.
Pavan.
Anusha.
Ravi.
Sucharita. Susrika. Arna.
Manya.